iPhone WhatsApp multiple account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can use multiple accounts on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say you want to use multiple accounts on WhatsApp. You have 2 or more phone numbers and then you want to use those. Well, first of all, if you have an iPhone and you have the WhatsApp app and you go to account, you can see there is no option to add another account. Now Android phones has already gotten this feature, but for some reason WhatsApp on iPhones does not support this feature yet. Now there are 2 reasons that I assume. One reason that I assume iPhone does not get this feature is because iPhone only has a single SIM slot, so automatically they assume that you don't use 2 SIM cards at the same time, because so far you have been okay using 1 SIM on your iPhone, and that's why maybe they thought you're also okay using 1 phone number on WhatsApp. That could be one of the reason. Now in very less occasions, if you're using an electronic SIM and a physical SIM at the same time, which means you have dual SIMs, and still if you don't have that feature, then that is also quite because maybe the way that Apple stores your data online on Apple ID or your iCloud, that just makes it harder to actually put the 2 data on the same app on the same data. So that's why that could be one of the reasons, whereas on the Android we've already gotten this feature, and this is quite surprising because iPhones were usually the ones that got the latest and greatest features first. Now currently, as of this position or of this, that the only alternative solution that I can suggest to you is you can simply go ahead and then open your app store and then just download the WhatsApp business app. So unfortunately this is the only current solution I can offer you. If you really want to use second phone number that badly, you can use the WhatsApp business application to do so. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.